Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add full screen menus like this into your WordPress website. You can see I have added this full screen menu with these drop down menus in it. I have also added these social icons under the menus. So add full screen menus like this into Elementor. You have to add a Addon plugin. For this I will go to dashboard. Now I am going to install unlimited elements for Elementor plugin. So go to plugins and click on add new. Now in the search bar search for unlimited elements for Elementor. Now here you can see at first unlimited elements for Elementor add-on plugin. It has 100,000 plus active installation and 5-star ratings. I have already installed this plugin, so I will go to Elementor editor to show you how you can create full screen menus. So go to your Elementor editor. Here you can see I have created this header. I have added my logo in 3 sections, and in third one I will add my full screen menus. So I will click on this plus button, search for menu. Here you can see full screen menu widget, which comes with the plugin that we have added now, unlimited elements for Elementor. So drag this widget into this third column. Now you can see this plugin appears like that. It shows the menus like that. Now here you have your menus that you have created already. I will select the second menus. Here you can see the max depth. I will leave it, just go to alignment. I will align it to right side. Now you can animate them or custom icon instead of this, but I will use these animated icons. Open transition, you can slide it from left. Click on this button and you can see the menu slide in from left, but zoom in perfect for this. Now for social icons I will add them after menu. Now go to your full screen menus, open them, and here you can see the social icons under our menus. Now here you can add some custom created templates above or after these menus. Here is the social media icons. You can add any other social media icon, like I want to add LinkedIn. So I will click on LinkedIn and click on insert. Here you can add the social media icons link here. Now you can see I have this LinkedIn logo also. Now I will go to style. Now first of all I have this hamburger style. By default it was in blue color. Hamburger background color I will change it to black. Now hamburger hover color I will make it a little bit red. So when you hover over it, it will appear like that. I will make it darker, so it will appear like that. Now hamburger icon color and hamburger hover color, leave it for now. Here you can change the padding and hamburger size. I think 60 is perfect. You can add radius, but radius does not look perfect with this hamburger, so I will leave it. Now go to menu background. You can change the background color. Here you can see I have this dark black color. You can change it, but for now I think this was perfect. Go to menu items. Here you can align these text to the left side or to the right side. For now I will select it to center. I will go to typography and change the font family to Poppins. Now I will change its size to 50 pixels or 30 pixels are perfect. Now I will change its weight to 600. You can change the margin and underline effect like that. And here you have menu underline color. You can change this line color, but I think white looks perfect. And go to sub menu. Here I have this sub menu. You can change the sub menu color. I will add this color so it looks perfect. Make it little bit light like that. You can change the sub menu underline color. I will make it also the same color that I have added there. Copy this code and paste it here. Now when you hover over it, these menus, the line color was changed. Now go to social icons. Here first of all you can change the social icons size. I will make them 25 pixels. You can also add the margin, but I will add some spacing between them, and I will add margin to 15 pixels. 15 is perfect. I will unlink it and remove from top, so it will look perfect here. Now you can go to advanced motion effects and make it fade in, so it will appear like that. Now update the page. Now here your page was successfully updated. To take a live preview, click on this I button. Now here it is. Click on this hamburger icon and you can see these menus here. Click on this drop down and you will find these menus here, and also you have these social media icons under your menus. That's how you can add full screen menus into your WordPress website using Elementor and unlimited add-ons for Elementor add-on plugin. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and also share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates. Thanks for watching.